Hey, hi everyone. So today an unusual video, so nothing technical, but bear with me. First of all, a massive thank you to all of you watching my videos every week. So that's been an incredible journey so far, and I really loved it. So just to share with you a few numbers. So it's nearly 1500 of you, so we are 1268 for now, so massive thank you. That's incredible. I started almost 3 years ago, so the channel totalized almost 100k views after 3 years, so I didn't think it would reach that. So I'm being a bit dramatic right now because it's a little bit ridiculous compared to other channels. I'm not doing entertainment like music, video games, or I'm not vlogging, I'm not a model in bikini, but I'm very happy with those numbers, and that's thanks to you. So yeah, massive thank you. So beginning of this year, 2023, I consistently release one video every Monday since January. So I had a backlog of ideas, videos, and I went through them. So, but unfortunately, I don't have any videos for the next weeks. And I don't want to publish crap or rush videos or jeopardize the quality of the videos. And that channel is not monetized. It's a passion project. It's just like I love coding, I love teaching things to people. I'm doing it for free on my spare time, so I've got a job on the side. So I don't think that I should be under pressure or in a burnout situation to deliver content to you. In that sense, I think I should be free, and I am free to deliver content when I'm happy with, or content that I'm truly proud of, when I want to release it. So in that sense, I need more time to prepare the next batch of videos. As I said, YouTube is not my main job, so there'll probably be fewer videos this summer, and I think it should match the attendance as well, because most of you will be on holiday as well, summer holiday, so that's totally fine. And you still got a good amount of videos to watch or rewatch if you want, so that's fine. Really quickly, I don't want to bother you too much, but the next steps for that channel. So first thing, it's time for me to analyze and reflect on videos stats. Right, so you probably heard a millions of times like and subscribe and activate the bell and blah blah blah. I do say it in my video, but generally it's a genuine request, because it's like it does help me, the content creator, to give me feedback. It's like a video is appreciated, a video is like liked and loved, and so then it gives me stats to understand what you like and what you don't like. And it's also helping yourself, because if a community likes certain videos, the video is put forward, so then it's increasing the chance that you would see that video and get a notification for it, or seeing in front page. So that's huge favor you're doing to content creators. So I had 3 main projects in the last 6 months. So the design pattern that it's very appreciated. I really like it as well. It's really good for beginners and veterans to refresh memories, and also to prepare for interview and stuff. So I definitely gonna carry on that. But I also put the same amount of efforts and sweat into other projects that didn't receive much attention. So the first one was that one. the publishing library, where I went from scratch to a full automated deployed library with tests and versioning and stuff like that. But that was definitely toward beginners, but as you can see, it didn't receive much attention. So that's fine. So that's good insights for me, because it means that among you, they're probably more veteran Golang Gophers. So I need to reflect on that and maybe think about more advanced use cases, like, I don't know, Kubernetes or AWS infrastructure, or maybe more convoluted case that would be more interesting for you. And then the second project I had, which didn't really work as I wanted, was the podcast. So I received 2 guests, 2 friends of mine. That was really fun. I really love doing it, but didn't get much traction. So the podcast universe is really fascinating, but it's really to build a 1-hour episode. It's probably 8-9 hours of work. So I need to refine the recipes to make it more attractive, or find alternative avenues, basically. I'm not complaining here for those poor performances. I'm just I thought it would be interesting to openly reflect on those projects I've been delivering these past 6 months openly. So transparency. You can't be successful with everything, but I guess I'm more into who dares wins attitude. So I like to try things and reflect on those. So that was my takeaway on those 2 projects. So I need to reflect on all of that, reply to your comments, and which brings me to the second step. So I need to increase my level of interaction with you, basically. So for that, I will probably publish Q&A video this summer. So please, in the comment, ask me anything you'd like. I don't know, like it can be about my career myself, or it can be a Go question, receiver pointers, or it can be in software in general, like, do you like AWS, what do you do for dependency injection, and so on and so on. Anything you'd like me to answer, or even YouTube itself, like, how does it work behind the scene, how do you prepare your video, and so on and so on. So I'd be happy to answer to your questions. And also I'm trying to increase my visibility on social media. So maybe you know, maybe you don't know, it's usually in the description of my videos. So I've got a Twitter account, so this is a 0 here, but you can leave me a tweet anytime, and I can try to answer to you if you prefer that channel of communication. But I'm also considering few options in the future, like maybe streaming having some coding session on Twitch. I already have a Twitch account for gaming on my spare time, but it's like, this one would be different, like would be more like 1 hour coding with you or something like that. Or even posting reels on Instagram or stories, or code snippet, on as a post. And maybe also publishing courses on e-learning platforms like Udemy or Coursera. But those are just ideas, and they need times and they need to be planned. You can let me know what you think about it. That's totally fine. So about the podcast I mentioned, so even though I said to you a few minutes ago, it's not the success I wanted, I really love doing it. So I found it really interesting. So if any of you wants to participate to a one-to-one podcast with me, leave me a comment or just tweet me. I will be really happy to have you in the podcast. So asking you questions about your careers yourself, and then having some funny games after with you. So yeah, just drop me a message if you want. Alright, so maybe one more time, thank you very much for watching my videos and stuff. So I would not do all of that if there would not be anyone watching or interacting with me. So that's a really good project. So thank you very much. And for the luckiest of you who go on holidays, so have a lovely summer break and see you later. Happy coding. Bye.